Thank you very much. So, I'm dreaming that it's become a 1 hour. It's not 1 hour. Maybe the Wi-Fi, it's because I put down, so I can't go down na in the 1 hour. So, yeah, I have already, it's okay. I'm just glad at least I have already 30 minutes, okay? So thank you very much about that one, and thank you for that you are watching in my short live, and thank you again, thank you so much talaga, thank you. And to all of us nationwide, worldwide, to the different countries, to the different people in this world, that you are belong in the different countries while we are living in this earth. Thank you so much, and happy Friday, happy weekends in the different time and in the different countries. Okay, Asian and Europe, America, Arabian. So thank you so much. What's that one? Okay, so we make it done already. Done. Okay. So now we make video to make it long. Because I have already too much. What's that? I have already too much short videos. So at least I can making long sway regular videos. Kumbaga pa. It's windy little bit. Okay. Ayan. Yun yung outside. Di naman ako pwedeng lumabas doon. Kasi makikita yata nila ako. Sa cellphone. Makikita talaga sa cellphone. Okay. Ayan yung ito, this one is how many years na rin, if I'm not mistaken, from the war or before the war. Okay, I don't think so. Basta this one is Iraqi home residence. Okay, I have a souvenir. When I arrived here in Baghdad, we stay there in almost 1 year. Yeah, 1 year we stay here 1 year, and on that time I think, if I'm not mistaken, again Sicilian is 4 months, 4 to 5 months, like that one. Okay. So nag-aada. Try tayong kaso magkikita ako dyan. Nandoon sila yata sa kabila. Pag ayan yung labas. I have already this one videos. I have videos already here. That one is new already. That one mga new building na yan. Because before when I come, that one is not yet. It's already building. They just making only. And this one is long time ago na talaga yan. This tree. Walang walang bulaklak to parang puno lang siya. Tapos ikating-kating at i-design ni Jido. Ni Sir Kamal. Kaya yan. Yeah. The first time that I come here, it's still building. Making this one. Under of construction, kumbaga. And this one in the beside. In this side, some of them is mga old pa rin. Same of, what's that? Long time ago, kumbaga ba. That is belong from the history already. Okay? That is part, it's adan na. So, it's, what's that in the church? In the, okay. So, ayan. Ayan yung Wi-Fi. Ayan yung weather. And that is the weather outside. Ayan. Yung 8 o'clock at the night. Nag-ano na yung ala. Nasa iwan ko. Hindi ko alam kung hindi kaya ito marikapi. O i-ano ko na lang siguro to. I-silent. Kasi baka maano tayo sa ano. O nandiyan na talaga yela. Bye bye. Bye 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 bye. Bye bye.